Hey friends, my name's Jordan, and I'm 1,000 books before kindergarten graduate. When I was your age, I loved reading books, just like you. And guess what? Listening to this book today counts towards your 1,000 books before kindergarten challenge. Today we're going to be reading Bubble Bubble by Jack Tickle. And make sure, if you like this book, you can watch and listen to it over and over again. Each and every time counts. If you have a copy of the book, make sure to follow along. Bubble Bubble. Look what little fish has found, a bubble with a gurgling sound. He asked Red Crab, whose could it be? I'll follow it, and then I'll see. Swimming through the ocean blue, little fish asked Octopus too. Not mine, she says, with a giggle. I don't blow bubbles, I just wriggle. Then fish meets dolphin and says hello. Who blew that bubble? Do you know? No, says dolphin, off for a swim. But there goes turtle, try asking him. Did you blow this bubble we see? No, says turtle, it wasn't me. But I'll give you a clue. Look nearby, he's big and blue. And two little fishes, great delight. It's Whale blowing bubbles, shiny and bright. Hello, says Whale, come and play. We'll blow bubbles all through the day. The end. Thank you guys so much for listening to Bubble Bubble. I hope you had a nice time. And please make sure to leave a comment below on how you liked the book to let us know. Thank you. Bye.